Hi grade 5, how are you? Today we will learn how to classify quadrilaterals. Topic number 16, lesson 2. The objective of our lesson today, I can classify quadrilateral by their properties. First shape we have it, a parallelogram. Parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. Now take a look at the top and the bottom sides, each opposite sides. They are parallel. And let's take a look at the right and the left sides. They are parallel too. Now, let's take a look here. As we can see, we all know that this is a rectangle. The rectangle has 4 right angles. It is also a parallelogram. Why? Look at the top and the bottom sides. They are parallel. Now, take a look at the right and the left sides. They are parallel too. Now we have a square. Square has 4 right angles and all sides are the same length. We all know this. The square has 4 equal sides. It is a parallelogram. Look at the top and the bottom sides. They are parallel. Right and left sides are parallel too. It is a parallelogram. Also, square, we always took this before when we were young, that the square is a rectangle, right? And also it's a rhombus. Keep this for later. We're gonna know about this in the next slide. Trapezoid is also a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. Now take a look at the top and the bottom sides. They are parallel, but right and left sides, are they parallel? No, they're not. So it has only one pair of parallel sides. This is a rhombus. Rhombus is also a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are parallel. And all of its sides are the same length. Like what? Like the square. It is also a parallelogram. Look at the top and the bottom sides. They are parallel. Right and left sides are parallel too. So that's why they said that the square is a rhombus. Square is a rhombus, but the rhombus can't be square. Why? Look at the angles and think about it. Correct. To be a square, the angles must be right angles, right? And the rhombus has 2 obtuse angles and 2 acute, so it can't be a square. How is a parallelogram different from a rhombus? How are they similar? Okay, now look here. This is the rhombus. All the sides, think about the sides, all of them are has 2 pairs of sides, parallel sides, here and here. They also have the same angles. Now, a parallelogram and rhombus both have 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel. The rhombus has all the sides the same length, right? But the parallelogram can have 1 pair of opposite sides, 1 length, and the other pair of opposite sides another length. So these sides have the same length, and these sides have a different length, the same but different than the others. But the rhombus, all of the sides have the same length, right? Okay, now let's take a look at question number 1. How are square and rhombus alike? About the sides. Their sides are equal, right? Both figures have all sides of equal length. How is a trapezoid different from a parallelogram? Think about the sides. Look at the trapezoid. It has only 1 pair of parallel sides, but the parallelogram has how many sides? How many pairs? 2 pairs of parallel sides. So a trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel sides. Now, Use as many names as possible to identify each polygon. Tell which name is most specific. Most specific since they all have 4 sides. They all have 4 angles. So immediately it is a quadrilateral, and we can just talk about this. That's it. Done for all of them. For all of them. Now, we have more than this name. Different names. First, this is square. Of course, this is rectangle. This is, we can say also diamond, by the way. Okay, this is parallelogram. Okay, now let's think about this. Is that a parallelogram? Is a square parallelogram? Yes, it is. Is a square a rectangle? Yes, it is. Is a square also a rhombus? Yes, it is. Okay, now take a look at the rectangle. We said also the rectangle is a parallelogram, right? Yes. Look at this. It's also a parallelogram. And it's also a rhombus. How I decided? Because look at the sides, they all are equal. So this is how we can classify the shapes. Question number 17. Could you use the formula for finding the perimeter of a square to find the perimeter of another quadrilateral? Yes, of course. We said that the square also has 4 equal lengths, right? Since it has 4 equal lengths, also the rhombus has 4 equal lengths. So I can find the perimeter of the rhombus. Ben draws the shape shown at the right. He says the shape can be classified as a quadrilateral, trapezoid, and parallelogram. Is Ben correct? First, it has 4 sides, 4 angles. Yes, it is a quadrilateral. Is it a trapezoid? Yes, it is a trapezoid. But is it a parallelogram? We have 2 parallel sides, but the right and the left side are not parallel, so no. So this was our lesson for today. Please solve the independent practice and your homework and then send it to me. Goodbye. Have a nice day, everyone.